you came, where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere.
She's playing with my cape.
It's strangling my neck.
She's playing with my cape.
I'm strangling myself. Wait, I got this. I got this.
Camera. Oh my gosh. It was out of focus. No copyright intended. Go. This blooper.
Ow! What is wrong with you? You seriously.
Look at those spirits. Those eyeballs. Oh god. Ah! Tripod.
How hoes walk.
Oh!
Wait, what?
Oh.
Oh. How hoes walk. Wait. You gotta move.
Go! Okay. Peace. How Mira walks.
No.
Do it.
No.
Do it.
No, it's too weird to do it.
Do it. I'm not recording. Thank you. Schmack you.
It's a very lovely wall. This bloopers.
Very ugly face.
You're so mean. Okay, I will admit my face is pretty ugly.
Okay, can we actually do it now?
I'm pretty ugly. John Cena. Can I like go outside?
Remember what happened last time? You almost got hit by a car.
That should be me.
Yeah, it should.
This is so sad. Wait, what are we doing?
Oh my gosh! Idiot.
Oh.
Bottle. Oh my goodness.
Regular side of the tape.
No.
Oh, well, still I'm using this.
I don't know.
Stop.
Hold on. No, stop it. This crap is expensive.
Should I put this on like my eyebrow?
I will shave it for you.
No.
Give me it.
Stop it.
Give me it. If you love your supporters, you do it.
Wait. I need to do something. It's very important. Do I look weird?
No, you look normal.
No.
You look pretty normal. Okay, now let's actually get
Do you have
that.
stickers?
No.
Please
I
don't.
use- Well, I do, but I'm not showing them.
Wait, can I
No, okay, let's be serious.
Wait, no, wait, I cannot be serious.
No, let's do it. Come on. No, that's a blender.
I know that. Ooh, what if I like cut myself?
Oh my goodness. You don't know how to use a freaking blender. Put that down.
Wait, on the box.
Oh my god.
I got this.
You're not Manny Pacquiao.
Wait, I got
You should do that to the spirits.
Yeah, I know.
No, we need to add that. Don't actually punch it.
Boop.
Okay.
I will spray you with this. I'm not scared.
No, you can't laugh either, dear. This camera, though.
I feel like this
That
isn't gonna spray.
unfocusedness. No.
It's full.
Amira, put it back.
It's full of
This
it.
is for emergencies only.
Full of the white stuff.
Oh, God. Is that how we do it? Okay. That falls. I'm sorry.
That needs to be. You need a new microwave.
Idiot. You turned it on.
Be quiet, okay? Spirit, if you like seeing this, I don't like ghost spirits can see me. I love you till the day I die if you let me. I love you till the day I die if you let me.
I never stop laughing.
You know what I'm talking about.
Spurdy! Did you get that?
Yeah.
Did you get
Yeah.
Okay.
I did. Are you okay? Bud, you okay?
That was so promising.